Hi everybody, Asam Filipina. Again, it's me and I have a lot of parcel that arrived today and we're going to unbox. So we'll see what's inside. Let's get started. This one, I don't know what is this. Oh my god. It's for my daughter, I think. So, I'm also excited. I don't have scissor here, but I have pizza. I have to get something sharp. I have sketch. Okay. I have to open this carefully because I forgot what is this. No, this is not a scam. Oh, it's quite big. It's for my daughter because she loves to paint. Oh my god, this is so big. And she won a contest at school for like painting. So, but I love to see what's inside. Oh my gosh. This is a lot. Okay, I'm gonna close this one. This is not mine. Okay, next is I'm going to open this one. This is for my custom video. So if you want a custom video, message me to my Gmail account. Oh, anyway, this is different. So I have this wig. It's for my, I also have my Facebook like Filipino vlog or any vlog. Now I just buy the wig in case of I feel bored of my style of my hair, so I have this one. But then this is so cute. So this is long because my hair is long. So we'll see. Let's check this out. So I have the wig. Okay, be right back. I have to fix this in the mirror. Hi, I'm back. I'm not asawang Filipina. I'm different. I look like gay for this. I have to cut in the bangs. But this is the wig. Black is better, but I will just try this in different. So everyone, this is how it looks like with the wig. But I know you don't like this fake wig. So I had to remove. This is my natural looks. So okay, I'm gonna separate this one. This is better, right? But I do that style for my, yeah, just for different video style for my hair. So I have like 3 of this. Oh my gosh, this is so long. I buy this one. It's because my hair is long, so I try to not to shorten the wig. To make it shorten the wig. So I buy a long hair wig. So this is quite long. Okay, I can try. Be right back. I also have some hair cap for this, but it's in the other box, I think. Hi everybody. In this wig, I look like a mermaid. Oh my god, this is so long. This is not full. It's too much. I have to cut the bangs. Huh? Hi, I'm a Barbie. I had to cut the bangs. It's too long. Okay, I have to separate this one. Still beautiful with black. Oh my god, this is long. I have other wig also. Original. But I did not wear because the bangs. You can see my hair in front. Okay, let's continue. Okay, next is, so here I have the wig cap. So this is wig cap. So I do try that later. And this is another outfit. Face jump short. So let's try this later with the shoes. I'm gonna drop this down. Put it down. Okay, next is, I think this is the flip flop. Yeah. Flip flops for my custom video. Okay. Orange. Looks big. Oh my god. Okay. I know it's cute. Size is good. Later we can try this in the car, but not right now. Next time. Orange. And I have here pink. You know, I'm trying my best to speak English with you guys. Hope you understand me. I can also speak in my language. So this is pink. It's beautiful. I only need the blue flip-flops. So pink. Oh. So cute. I'm gonna make a try-on video for that in the car. And dress. This is just simple cute dress. So my dog is barking, want to come inside.